everybody, it's me, Miss Foot Fixer, or Marion, my normal name. I have changed my voice because my kids gave me something. Not COVID, everybody is not COVID. I've been coughing a lot today, but it's not COVID. So you're gonna listen to my very horsey voice. I do apologize for all those that like my voice for some odd reason. So we have this lovely patient here that I saw this March, who has a very, very bad nail infection. This nail is super long. It's like, so it is. What is this? What is this measurement? I don't even know what is that in cms or meters or inches.
That it should be cm.
Cm. So it's like almost 2 cm. So that's a pretty long nail. And what do you guys think it is? What do you think that is causing this beautiful discoloration in there? Let me know in the comments below. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this back. We're gonna do our famous deep cleaning of the nails. So let me just cut it first. Or do I want to? Let me do deep cleaning first of the lesser toenails first. And then I'll go on to cutting the bigger toenails. Some socks here. Just a little bit of discoloration. This is just to clean everything off. So that already looks a lot more cleaner. That one another touch. Do you want to use a purple pen just to mark the area where her foot should be? Like we suggested last week. I'll get the black pen and just mark it here so that when I move her foot, yeah. So those two nails already look a lot more cleaner as well. Just going to cut this a little bit more. Although she's going to keep in frame, my beautiful patient. Yeah, or tape, yeah, that'd be great. We're trying new things, because I keep on moving.
Right there.
Perfect, excellent. That's your marker. Excellent. So we're just gonna cut this nail. We've got a little bit of fancy white nail polish there. She's laughing. That's been there. Is it ready for Halloween or?
First time it was look like silver.
Yeah. So we're just gonna cut this all back and file it. Mm. Is it weird watching it on this and then in real life? Strange. So we've got a lot of kind of fungal infection. It's hard but also quite mushy and squishy and brittle in a way. And the thickness of the nail is caused a little bit by trauma, a little bit by the fungal infection, and also the nail bed is also thickened, and that causes an even more 3D effect in the nail itself. So what happens is the fungus gets into the nail root and causes deformity of the nail. And usually the treatment doesn't hurt too much. The water helps cools everything down. And you move it around so that it doesn't burn the patient, because you do have a very fast kind of drill That's kind of cleaning things away. And sometimes you might not be able to get all the fungus out because it's so deep. And I just want to like zoom a better zoom in. I can't really so like a really close up. I don't want a far away. Sometimes the drill doesn't work, so you just have to go back to cutting old school. And you can see that nail is a lot more healthier now.
What am I saying?
But
Okay, it's good.
Good.
So there is someone want to talk to you and show you. So I told her to take a seat first floor after you finish.
is she a patient of mine?
Yes.
Okay.
She just finished this.
Is she booked in an appointment?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She so it's her last laser.
Okay. She's finished laser.
Yeah.
Okay.
So she taking seat on the first floor because someone has size to her.
Okay. Okay. Amazing. Now I'm gonna move that across. Where's my little? Where is my? There it is. Okay. Just gonna move it to a little bit, and I'm just gonna put a little bit. Amazing. And excellent. So I'm just going to cut the nail now. So that wasn't too bad. It's on the floor somewhere over there. So a lot of you might have thought that the nail plate was attached, but it's not, because it's eaten away by fungus. It's lifted the nail plate from the nail bed. So by cutting this away, when you treat the infection, it's just a lot more easier. You're feeling okay?
Yeah.
Did you think that the nail plate was gonna come off that easily?
No, I didn't.
Yeah. It's a good thing, to be honest, because all of it is off, so it's easier to treat, right? So that's all your fungus, gunky stuff. Underneath. just going to show you what it looks like afterwards. And let's zoom out for the foot. So this is what it looks like afterwards. It's a lot more cleaner than how it was before. We don't want to cut all the way in there because it hurts a lot and it would bleed. So you can see it's a lot more healthier. Excellent. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you very much for letting me film. Fantastic. Well